Hi, hello. How are you all? So, in this class, we are going to continue the second part of the lesson, the winged wonder. So, already in this lesson, we have covered what are the types of birds in the world, how the birds are different from animals, and what are the types of feathers, peaks, and wings. So, today in this class, we are going to start the next topic, that is the feet and claws. Feet and claws. So see, first is climbing. Climbing has two toes. So see the toes. It has two pointed forward. So forward two and backward two. It's like a X shape. So it helps to grasp the trunk of a tree and climb. So for climbing the tree, it is very useful for the birds. So this like climbing used to use the bats to climb the tree fast. So for example, it's a woodpecker. So woodpecker's claws is like climbing this X shape. The next one is pedaling. So pedaling has a webbed feet. So it has the skin stretched out connecting their toes. So between the legs it has a skin that is called webbed feet. So due to this only the bats can paddle in water. So webbed feet helps the birds to paddle in water. So what are the bats we can see like this? Yes, very good. We have geese and swan, duck and all we have webbed feet. Next is grasping. Grasping. So, the bird which has a strong and a long curved. See, it is very strong. See, first one it is very lean, but the third one is very strong. Very strong. So this type we call as grasping. It is very strong, long and it's like a curve. See the curves here. For eagles and owls. What eagles and owls will do for their prey, food? Yes, it will kill the other animal. So for that, to kill the other animal, this grasping is used. So first one is climbing. It has the two forward and the two toes backward. Example is woodpecker. Next pedaling. Pedaling has the webbed feet. Between the legs it has some skin stretched. This is webbed feet. It used for swimming, for paddle in the water. So the example the geese and swan. Third one is grasping. It has strong and long. It's very strong and long. It used to kill the prey. The next is wanding. Wanding. See how long the toes. It has long toes. So wanding means this toes is very long. It helps the birds to walk in water and wetlands. So in water and all some birds will walk no. Yes, herons and cranes. That toes we call as wading. This is preaching. It has see how many toes? Yes, first one we saw no. What is that? Climbing. Climbing means two forward and two backward. But for preaching, it has three pointed forward and one at the backward. So it is used to walk on the trees. So for shift, pigeon and crow, we have seen crows no. For that and all, this like toes only, the birds preaching. Okay. Then running. See the toes, how strong it is. Yes, it has only two toes. It has only two toes. It helps to run fast. So that it is running. And for ostriches and emus, this like toes it has. It is running. So these are the 6 types. One is climbing, pedaling, grasping, next wanding, preaching and running. So next we are going to see one activity 7.6. See this, name, beak, foot, wings and feet. So just they have given some birds. You should name the birds, write the name here and what type of beak it has, feet, wings. So like that you should complete this. Okay. This also. What is the type of bird? Write the name of the bird. See the beak, feathers and feet and write it. Okay. The next one. How can I help the birds in my surrounding? Can you think whether you are helping the birds? Think a minute whether you are helping the birds. What are the ways we can help the birds? We can give some food. We can keep water for the birds. Okay, but in some houses they are keeping the birds inside the cage. Have you seen that? If some birds are in the cage, so see now, suppose you are inside the cage means how you feel? You feel very bored, no? Like that alone birds also feel now. Yes. So you should not put it inside the cages. So see the activity 7.7. Sometimes people keep birds as a pet in cages. Imagine that you are a bird. See how the activity have given. You are a bird. What will you do? Whether you will live on the cage or you will fly over. Okay, you just tick an option and write, explain your answer. Why you are choosing I will live on cage and why you want to be free. Okay, complete this activity. Yes, birds that live in our surroundings are helpful. Have you noticed whether the birds are helpful to us? What are the ways the birds can help us? Whether the bird is giving something to us? Yes, it eats insects. So if your homes we have insect means how we will feel? Yes, so if we are having birds means the birds will eat all the insects and we are free from insects. And when birds eat the fruits of the plant, they sometimes drop the seed. So see ma, if some birds have eating the fruits means it will spread the seeds all over the land. No, from that the new plant will grow. So see, birds are growing the trees. But nowadays we are cutting down the trees. Whether the cutting down of trees is very necessary, whether it's a good, you should stop cutting down the trees. Okay. Some bats also help keep our surroundings clean by eating dead animals and birds. So some bats can help us by eating the dead animals. Suppose in roadside and all, if we have dead animals means some birds will come and eat. No. So they clean the dead animals. This way also birds helpful. And very important, while seeing the birds, such colorful birds while we are seeing, you will feel very happy. No. Yes. They have given some happy also. The birds make us our surroundings very colorful. So see, but nowadays whether we are keeping the birds safely? How can we keep the birds safe? We should not dirty the air. We should not use smoke from vehicles and factories. Then dirty water. So due to the plastic and other garbages, if we are dumping the garbage outside means it will make the water dirty. No, if the birds ourselves we are drinking a nice water, a mineral water we are drinking. But if we are putting the garbage outside means the birds will drink dirty water alone. No, so you should not do this. And very important, which is the home for birds? Yes, trees are the birds for homes. So you should, whether anyone, if we cut our home means whether we will be happy? No, we will feel now. So you should not cut the trees because the trees are the home. And bats being hunted. In olden days, some kings will go for hunting, no. But nowadays you should not hunt the birds. If we are doing that means the police will come and catch us. Okay, so you should not hunt birds. And insects being killed using insect spray. You should not use spray. Okay, because that insects are food for the birds. No, so you should not kill. Yes, so in this class we have learned what are the types of feeds and what are the ways to keep birds help and what are the ways we can prevent ourselves by giving harmful to birds. Okay, so The lesson is over. You can complete your CW note. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you all.